In this video, we're going to talk about top 5 strategies to invest in real estate. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Investing in real estate is an ideal investment. However, real estate investing encompasses a wide range of income opportunities. As a new investor, these numerous choices can be overwhelming. So in the rest of this video, I'll explain the 15 best real estate investing strategies in my opinion. These strategies will give you a better idea of how to make money in real estate investing, and hopefully one or more of these strategies will work for you. If that's the case, this video can help you get started on your own real estate investing journey. Let's begin by understanding the distinctions between goals, strategies, and tactics. Climbing a mountain is a metaphor for real estate investing and wealth creation. You of course are the daring mountain climber. The mountain's peak represents your financial and life objectives. Along the way, there are numerous milestones, or sub-goals. Strategies are similar to blueprints for how to get to the top of the mountain in the first place. They're the routes that will get you to the top in the quickest and safest time possible. And tactics are similar to climbing equipment, ropes, ladder, binoculars, etc. that aid you in ascending those routes. I've written a number of blog posts about real estate investing strategies such as market analysis, finding good deals, running the numbers, seller financing, negotiation techniques, and more. However, too many real estate investors become engrossed in tactics without understanding why they're employing them in the first place. Without a strategy, getting good at tactics will just make you better at hiking right off financial cliffs. So first and foremost, I recommend defining basic real estate investing objectives such as financial independence or a certain number of free and clear rental properties. Then decide on one or two strategies that appeal to you. After that, you'll find that all the strategies you've learned will be much more useful. Let's look at the real estate investment strategies themselves now. Number 1, fix and flip. The fix and flip strategy entails locating properties in need of repair, completing the repairs, and reselling the property for a profit. This is exactly what you'll see on HGTV's house flipping shows. For much of my early real estate career, I relied on this model to pay my bills and save money for future investments. It wasn't always easy, but the beautifully finished houses and occasionally large sums of money made it worthwhile. My favorite resources on this strategy are my friend Jay Scott's The Book of Flipping Houses and the Book of Estimating Rehab Costs. Number 2, wholesaling. Finding good deals on investment properties and reselling them quickly for a small profit is what wholesaling is all about. Being good at marketing and negotiations to find those good deals is the crux of this business. You'll enjoy wholesaling if you're a natural salesperson, but if you thought of selling makes you squirm, I'd suggest trying a different approach. A variation of the strategy known as bird dogging was also how I started my real estate career. I basically went out in search of deals for others, more experienced investors. I was then compensated whenever they purchased a deal that I had discovered. Brandon Turner, a friend of mine, wrote The Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Real Estate Wholesaling, which is available for free. Number 3, house hacking. House hacking is the practice of living in a home that also generates income, such as a duplex, triplex, or fourplex, or a home with an additional rental space such as basement, guest house, or spare bedrooms. You can lower your overall housing costs by renting out a portion of your home. House hacking is also a fantastic strategy because it allows you to gain experience as a landlord while still living in your rental. After you've lived there for a while, you can move out and turn the property into a long-term rental. Number 4, live in, then rent. Living in a house that will eventually become a rental is referred to as live in, then rent. This means the house must function both as a home and as an investment in the future. You don't rent the property while you live there, unlike house hacking. It's a great way to build a small portfolio by repeating the strategy a few times. And unlike house hacking, you don't have to live next door to your tenants. You can use my first live in then rent experience as a case study if you want to learn more. Number 5, live in flip. The live and flip is a strategy in which you buy and move into a home, fix it up, then resell it for a profit after 2 years or more. You pay no taxes on profits up to $250,000 for an individual or $500,000 for a married couple filing jointly if you follow the IRS rules. Carl and Mindy Jensen, authors of the blog 5000days.com, used a few live and flips to save hundreds of thousands of dollars early in their careers. Their story can be found in the book Getting Rich with a Live and Flip. Last but not least, you finished watching the 5 most effective real estate investing strategies. These are the various real estate-based routes to the top of the financial mountains. Each has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Keep in mind that most investors employ a variety of strategies at various times. For instance, you could start with house hacking, then move on to long-term buy and hold rentals, and then to a few fix and flip deals on the side. Also, don't be concerned if you try one strategy and find it ineffective. Investing in real estate is a business venture. Before you find your sweet spot, you may need to experiment and try things that don't work. What do you think of our list? Have you been invested in real estate? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications before you go. Thanks for watching.